Hello, and welcome to AI Web Series, the first AI that builds and publishes full web series, episodes on autopilot from concept to video, and eliminates the need for scripting, filming, editing, and post-production using one smart AI dashboard. Create, merge, and export complete episodes in just a few clicks. So let me show you exactly how this works. First, I'm going to log into my account. And here we are. The dashboard, your total series, total episodes, and completion rate, all right here in one place. Now let me create a brand new series. I'm clicking on Start Creating. First, I'll give my series a name, Shadow Deal. Then, I'll pick a genre. I'm going with Cinematic and click Create Series. Now this is the episode prompt step. I'm typing Cinematic Dark Thriller Web Series, Elite City Underworld, Power, desire, loyalty, and betrayal collide in one dangerous night. One line, that's it. Clicking Generate Concept. And look at this, a complete cinematic episode concept generated instantly by AI. I'm going to click Continue to generate segments. Alright, so now this is where things get really exciting. The AI has automatically split our episode into 5 cinematic segments. Each segment is going to become its own individual video clip. So let's go ahead and click Generate Clip on segment 1. And now I'm going to generate all 5 segments one by one. 5 cinematic AI-generated video clips. No camera, no crew, no filming whatsoever, just pure AI. And just like that, all 5 segments are now unlocked and completed. And look at the bottom right. Episode Preview is now unlocked. Okay, so this is the episode preview panel. This is where we finalize everything before we export. I'm turning on background narration, selecting my voice, and turning on background music and uploading my file. Everything is set. Hitting Create Episode now. The AI is merging all segments, adding voiceover, syncing the music, fully automatic. And there it is, Episode 1, fully generated by AI, ready to watch and download.
Some cities never sleep, and some secrets never die. In a world where power is everything, and trust is just another weapon, one night can change it all. He moves through the darkness like he owns it. No rules, no limits, no fear. Just one mission that could cost him everything. Every step he takes is calculated. Every decision, a gamble. And every door he opens leads to another secret waiting in the shadows. She has everything the world could ever offer. And yet, she sits alone, waiting for one message that will change everything she thought she knew. He sees what others cannot see. In a room full of lies and beautiful faces, he is the only one asking the real questions. Every room he walks into becomes his. But tonight, someone is watching him, and they are not afraid. She knows too much. And in this world, knowing too much is the most dangerous thing of all. Because greed and love look exactly the same. And when the truth finally rises from the shadows, no one will be safe. Shadow Deal Web Series, coming soon.
That's AI Web Series. From one line to a full cinematic episode, in just a few clicks. No scripting, no filming, no editing. The AI handles everything.